Good morning, students. In our previous class, we have discussed about cell cycle and mitosis cell division. So today we will going to discuss meiosis cell division. So as you know that mitosis cell division generally occurs in somatic cell or in our body cells, but meiosis cell division takes place in our sex organs or in our reproductive organs for the formation of the gamete cells. So if it is a male organism, then it will form the sperm, and if it is a female organism, then it will form ovum or the female gametes. Or in case of the flowering plants, in from anther it will produce the male gamete, and from the ovary they will produce the female gamete. So in meiosis there are two stages. One is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So in meiosis 1 the division is known as reduction division, and the meiosis 2 is almost same like the mitotic phase. So 2n means 46 chromosome. We know that we have 46 chromosome or 23 pair of chromosome. So 2n means within the cell 46 chromosomes are present. That's why it is 2n. So what happened in the meiosis 1? The number of the chromosome will be half in meiosis 1 division. That's why it is known as reduction division. That means from 2n it will go into 23 chromosome. That means it will be n, and again 23 chromosome, that means it will be n. So from 2n, two cells will produce containing 23 chromosomes in each. And the next one is known as the meiosis 2. It is almost same like the mitotic division. That means from the n, this n number, it will duplicate into two cells, and from n this will also duplicate into 2n. That means the number of chromosome will not change. So from n, that means 23 pair of chromosome. Here also 23 pair of chromosome, 23 pair of chromosome, and from this one also 23 pair of chromosome, and here also 23 pair of chromosome. So all these cells are either sperm cell or ovum cell. Meiosis cell division, there is the exchange of the genetic material. So how it will happen? Let's see. So if suppose we are taking 3 chromosomes, means 3 chromosome from the father and 3 chromosome from mother, that means total 6 chromosome. So if within a cell total 6 chromosome are present, 3 from father and 3 from mother. So after that what will happen? The homologous chromosomes arrange in a pair. Homologous chromosome means those chromosomes have the same structure. Like these two are homologous chromosome, these two are homologous chromosome. Okay, so homologous chromosome means the chromosomes which are having the same structure and where the genes are also present almost in same sequence. So these are the homologous chromosome. They are arranged and forming the pair. Now what happened? There is a exchange of the genetic material, and that process is known as crossing over. So if this one is a paternal chromosome and this one is a maternal chromosome, so there will be exchange of genetic material, that means exchange of gene. So what happened? One egg-shaped structure is formed, and that is known as chiasma. So this is the arm of the paternal chromosome, and this is the arm of the maternal chromosome. So in this X portion, this is the X portion, and this portion is known as chiasma, and this within this X portion there is the exchange of genetic material. So what will happen? This process is known as crossing over, where the gene present in this portion, this will go into this portion, and the here whatever genes are present, they will go into this portion. That means there is a exchange of genetic material, and this is known as the crossing over. So why this crossing over happens? So in meiosis, crossing over occurs for the formation of variety and formation of new characters in the offspring. So after the crossing over, the number will be half. That means the n number of chromosome from 2n, n number of chromosome will go into one cell, and again n number of chromosome will goes into another cell. Means we have taken 6 chromosome. So if it is n, then it will be 3 and 3, but you can see there is crossing over, the exchange or the exchange of the genetic materials have already done. And again in the meiosis 2, from n to n number of chromosome will produce, and from this n again to n number of chromosome will produce. So this is the whole process of meiosis.